vehicle in park. If you drive up, do not. You are not free to go. Turn the vehicle off right now.
Turn the vehicle off!
No.
What happens when a sleeping driver, an open container, and a felony pursuit collide in a single afternoon? This is a constitutional analysis, not a recap. Federal Way, Washington, April 29, 2023. 6 911 calls, 1 impaired driver, and within 15 minutes, 6 separate Washington offenses, 2 victims, and 1 suicide by cop attempt at the station. The legal analysis begins before contact. An impaired driver behind the wheel of a running vehicle, even stationary, is in actual physical control under Washington Revised Code Section 46.61.504. Combined with an open container in plain view, probable cause for DUI existed before any officer touched the door. The pre-deployment of stop sticks reflects this foreseeability. It is preparation, not premature seizure. The Supreme Court in Pennsylvania v. Mims confirms officers' categorical authority to order occupants from a lawfully stopped vehicle. The legal posture at first contact is therefore unassailable.
Where are you going to put them at? Back tires?
I'm going to throw them in the front.
Okay, go. Ready?
Yep. I'm going to take a picture.
Wait until traffic goes to clear it all out.
Okay.
And
Oh,
then,
you have that label? So there's an open 4-loco can. So if he runs, I got DUI.
Okay. You want more spikes on them?
Since we have time, let's just get a second
You
set.
can grab mine. Hey, when that goes, I want you to go, okay? You stay there.
Okay, we got 2 sets of spikes now. Ready for contact?
I'm ready. As ready to do this? Yeah. Turn away, police! Wake
Turn
up!
off your vehicle!
Turn off your vehicle!
Turn off your vehicle! Do it now!
Turn off your vehicle!
Turn it off! Turn it off! Turn it off right now!
Put it in park and turn it off!
Put it in park. Put the vehicle in park. If you drive up, do not. You are not free to go. Turn the vehicle off right now.
Turn the vehicle off!
No!
You're not
turn it
moving
off.
anywhere!
Turn the vehicle off. 44 is driving off head southbound, down 336. 44 here, pedestrian down. Can we start fire at 336? Shit!
Hey, she's talking over you. Okay. 38. You just struck a pedestrian. Go to them! I'll go to the end. I'll go to the car. Hey. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Okay, I gotta go to this one.
Hey man, are you okay?
Just my leg.
Just your leg? Any broken? Is it okay to pull your pants up?
No, there ain't nothing broken. You don't gotta get
It
up.
didn't look like he actually hit him, but just kind of
I
knocked
can't
him
help
down.
me up. I
Are
kinda
you able to
got
get up?
Go, he's fine.
What?
Do you need fire to come check you out? Do you feel like you're hurt?
I want to sit down for a minute.
Okay,
I feel
Yeah,
like-
let's take you over here.
He was hit and run. The guy took off.
I know.
Wait, that's-
I know, that dude was a... I'm sorry.
What?
I'm sorry that happened to you.
Well, it knocked me down and hit my leg right
Yeah.
here and over here. I don't think it broke anything. But,
Nothing's broken?
huh?
Nothing's broken?
I don't think so.
Okay.
You okay, man?
Yeah, scared. I know. Yeah. It was not my fault. The thing was.
It's not. I know, sir.
Can I get your information, sir?
Huh?
Can I get your information?
Let me put my shoe on.
Yeah, no problem.
What do you want to know? Where'd that guy come from?
He was drinking. He drove off.
Huh?
He was drinking. He was being a very impolite
Is
man.
that the one you had stopped?
Yeah, but don't worry. We're chasing him. He's not going to get away for doing that crap to you.
I know you had it stopped. Somebody right there.
Yeah.
Do you need any medical attention?
No.
All right, sir.
You want to sit down on something more comfortable? Here's our chair.
I want to have water. Huh? I want to have water. Do you have water in there? Yeah.
But if something happens to me like later on in a few days, what can I do?
Just call us and you can say you were involved in this incident, and hopefully, like, just call 911. We have fire coming. They're more than welcome to take you to the hospital to make sure you're okay. I want to make sure you're okay.
I don't. It just hit me right here.
Yeah.
There. Maybe bruised, but
They're bruised.
I can't look. I don't think it's broken.
You're walking on it? Okay.
I think I'll be all right.
You're good? Okay.
Would you like me to get fire out here for you, fire department? For what? To check on you, see if you're all right? Yes. Would you? All right. So I'm gonna get them out here. I'm gonna come back and talk to you a little. I'm gonna come back and talk to you in a minute, okay? We'll get the fire department out here to see you.
I was expecting one of you to move the car and block her in the front. Why you run away? One police car to block
Hey,
him.
I've got stuff to do. Go away.
Behind it, when I gunpoint. Hey, hands! Let me see your hands! Hands down! You're under arrest! I don't want to shoot you! Exit the vehicle now! Hey! Hands up! Now! Good, back it up. Yep. You good? Yeah. Exit the vehicle with your hands up!
Hey, we're south of Cali.
You're under arrest!
We're on a high-risk stop. On the east side of it, it's a Asian Mart. I'm not sure what it's called. He's stuck in the car right now.
I got less lethal.
Hey, put your hands up!
Put your hands up right now. All right. Hey, stop reaching. Stop reaching now. You're going to get shot. You hear me? I don't want to shoot you.
Put your hands up!
Hands up now.
All right, Vesture, as you're lethal, I want you to bump up here. Jay, you're going to be hands when we need it. You got it?
Yep.
Mariani, you doing the verbal. Stay on it.
Hey, do me a favor. If you drop your hands, listen to me. You are under arrest. We are the police. I understand that. Listen to me. You are under arrest. Keep your hands up. We are going to extract you from that vehicle. Do you understand me? Can you crawl out to the passenger side?
No, I want you to wait. Vesture, when we realize, I want you to bump up and watch that passenger side, okay?
All right.
Crossfire, Halford, move!
Get out! Slowly to the passenger side. Hey, he's trying this side. Will this door open or no? Hey, get the guy in the red out of here.
Nah, him. He just wants to stand there. It's on him. Let's focus on this.
Hey, in the car. Do me a favor. Try to exit out that passenger side for me. You are surrounded and you are under arrest. We do not want to hurt you. Here's the thing. This is going to end. I don't want to shoot you. That's not what we want to do, okay? We want to resolve this very calmly and peacefully. I just need you to listen to what I'm trying to tell you, okay? You are surrounded and you are under arrest. This is not going to go away. Hey, he's putting the key back in the car.
Put the key back in the car. Watch out.
I heard you. Hey, reposition this into him. Is he doing it?
Yep, he's doing it.
Hey, he's coming. Oh, he's rolling the
You better get out of that car, bro!
Out of the car right now!
Get out of
Hey,
the car!
out of the car! Crawl out the window right now!
Crawl out now! Crawl out of the window
Crawl out
now!
the window right now!
Get out of the car!
Crawl out!
Get out of the car!
Car right now! Alright. Hold your hands out the window, okay? Do not drop them in there.
Get out of the car!
Crawl.
You're supposed to get out the boat! You're supposed to crawl out of the f***ing car, that's out! Can you get out the other door? Can you get out the other door? Then get out it, like I told you! Get out it, or I can't guarantee your safety. You got me?
Hey, he's coming
He's coming out that side. Give me a contact team. Hands lethal and less lethal. Good?
Yeah. Okay.
Guys, get back. It's not safe.
Me?
Outside handle. Yeah, where we can see him.
Goes back to flee.
Push that door open. All the way open. Perfect. All right, the ground. Take the ground. Bring the ground back.
320 from the highway. I'll be there in a sec.
I'll figure it out. 611, call me IC on this. We got one in custody.
All right, you're under arrest, okay?
Good for now.
What?
Okay.
Fire.
Pedestrian got hit, right?
Yep, 316. I watched that happen. Yeah.
Okay.
It hit him. Flew.
Roll over. There's an officer. All the way over this pedestrian.
Somebody's
Yeah,
with that
he's
pedestrian?
with him. I think Mersman is with them as well.
Okay.
He's gonna need fire. Perfect. You're gonna need fire.
I'm fine, but thanks.
We're
I'm gonna need a ride in a little bit.
Yeah, I got you.
I like that car.
And right here, spread your feet.
Okay.
Let me grab stuff for you.
Just a small bag from my trunk.
Yep.
This happened just 2 weeks ago. Can I grab my shit out the car? Stop.
Here's the thing.
Can I grab my phone?
Right
my
now-
car is about to get impounded.
Right now, this is evidence of a crime.
Okay, but can I grab at least grab my cell phone?
Nope. You can't grab anything from the car right now. It's evidence, okay?
Get in the car.
Have a seat, man.
That's not my shit.
Figure it out. Just have a
Put me in
seat.
the car with somebody's shit.
Just have a seat.
That ain't my shit.
You take go grab a ride for me. Yeah.
Have a seat. Turn him around.
I'm just telling you, that ain't
All
my
right.
shit.
Okay, all right. Just sit down real
Yeah.
quick.
Here, everything's being recorded, okay? So
Sit down
you
real
see that
fast,
stuff,
man.
We know it's not your stuff.
Man, why are you pulling on me, bro?
Get in the car.
Get your seatbelt on, all right?
Trying to get in.
Feet in the car.
Feet in the car.
Stop pulling me so I can get in.
Yep. Pull your feet up. There you go. Hey, can you grab the? There you go.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Is that your car?
Yeah.
Never mind, I don't want to
We'll probably
transfer.
keep him in there because he's kind of combative.
Yeah, and also, freedom applied consent,
Yeah.
but after that, anticipate a blood warrant.
Okay.
Ray, I think you're good. Yeah, you're good. Thanks, man.
Are we even gonna get him to do that this case?
No, let's just anticipate the blood warrant, but we got to give an option to refuse, right?
Yep, I can totally ask him if you want, and that duo photo matches him.
Yep. I thought we had vehicle assault when you said hit pedestrian.
Yeah, so he was down, and then while I was trying, but everything was
Then
going
he-
on.
oh, that's
so,
okay.
And then when fire was like on scene, I was like, bye.
I mean,
Okay.
he hit that car too. So there's.
Yeah.
Oh, is there a car that got
He
hit?
hit a car and then hit the pedestrian.
Okay,
The
cool.
pedestrian went feet over.
Suspicion of
Yeah.
DUI is pursuable anyways. The only reason I attempted to pin him over there was because I thought he was a danger to everybody else.
Well, absolutely he is. That's
Yeah,
that is
and-
And that was the only way to disable a truck like this, which is why I didn't have us pin it to start.
Right.
Trying to save your guys' cars.
Yeah, also, I got pictures of him in the car before we even made contact. It was an open container photo.
Wonderful.
Phone chargers, sunglasses. Oh, that smells like booze, yep.
To be honest. Hold on.
Look at that.
Once you step out, just fix that.
Hey, look, nothing personal. Check this out.
Face the.
Shoot me, bro.
Face.
I'm gonna reach for the gun. Dude, get off me with your weak ass. Make it on your pussy.
Stop it!
Tell me which way to go. That's all you gotta do.
Stop it!
You rip my shirt.
We'll take a couple more here. Will you do me a favor and just chill? Yeah.
Have a seat. All right, here. Kneel. You actually do me a favor. Kneel on the bench. Turn around and sit. Turn around and sit.
Take a seat.
Is that you that had the gun drawn on me?
Yes.
I don't understand. I just woke up. So what? Why were you guys doing that, bro?
Okay. We'll talk later. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take you out of here and we're gonna move you in this cell. Hold on. I'm gonna direct you each step of the way. Don't do anything outside of my direction, please. Does that make sense to you? You understand what I'm saying?
I get it. You're a control freak. It's good.
No. This is just for your safety and my safety.
I don't care.
And everyone else's
Shoot.
safety.
So whatever.
Okay. Perfect.
When the suspect drove forward into a pedestrian and a sedan while fleeing, 3 Washington statutes activated in a single moment. Felony attempting to elude under RCW 46.61.024, a Class C felony, requiring willful refusal to stop combined with reckless driving. The endangerment enhancement under RCW 9.948.834, a 12-month sentencing add-on, triggered by the involvement of any third-party victim. 2 such victims exist here. And vehicular assault under RCW 46.61.522, Sub B, a Class B felony, carrying up to 10 years and a $20,000 fine, satisfied by the pedestrian's broken toe under the substantial bodily harm definition. At the second scene, the verbal officer stated non-deadly intent, quote, "I don't want to shoot, you does double work." It declares purpose and shifts the responsibility for the outcome onto the suspect's choice to comply. Tennessee versus Garner permits deadly force only when an officer has probable cause to believe the suspect poses a significant threat of death or serious physical injury. Coverage without deployment, as practiced here, is the proportional posture. The decisive moment occurs at the station. When the suspect lunges for an officer's holstered firearm and asks to be shot, the Garner threshold is met the instant his hands reach the weapon. The officers chose the lower force option anyway. Under Graham versus Connor, that restraint was discretionary, not required. It is the difference between what the law allows and what tactical wisdom and human judgment counsel, and it almost certainly prevented a fatal encounter. The blood warrant decision is the most sophisticated legal call in this footage. Birchfield versus North Dakota, 2016. Prohibits warrantless blood, draws incident to a DUI arrest. Breath tests are permitted. Blood requires a warrant. Missouri versus McNeely, 2013. Closes the exigency loophole. The natural metabolization of alcohol does not, by itself, justify bypassing the warrant requirement. Combative behavior alone does not satisfy exigency either. The supervising officer's strategy, anticipate a blood warrant. Give the option to refuse captures this framework precisely. Refusal under RCW 46.20.308 is not a barrier. It is the trigger. The Federal Way officers, collectively, earn a B+. Above average tactical communication, exceptional restraint at the suicide by cop moment, and constitutional fluency on the blood warrant decision are the strengths. Deductions trace to overlapping verbal commands at first contact and to striking the window of a vehicle still in drive choices that introduced foreseeable startle reflex risk and may have contributed to the flight. Aaron Singh earns an F. 6 offenses in 15 minutes, 2 victims, and a suicide by cop attempt committed by a DUI repeater operating without a court-mandated ignition interlock device. No mitigating factors are visible on camera. The Federal Way Police Department, as an agency, earns a B. Visible training quality, a minimum necessary force culture, and transparent footage release support the grade. For officers, the takeaway is procedural discipline. Designate a single verbal communicator at first contact. Plan for the warrant path before refusal happens. And remember that legal authority to use force is not a mandate to use it. For agencies, the takeaway is training visibility. The de-escalation language, the crossfire call, and the blood warrant decision in this footage did not happen by accident. They reflect deliberate curriculum that other departments can replicate. For drivers, the practical advice is simpler. An open container in a running vehicle is not a paperwork issue. It is the legal foundation for a felony case before the officer says a single word. The cleanest defense is not to give one. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching.